everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Sneha and I am here to unbox design team kit for Expressions Craft. Yes, I am their creative designer for this session and I am so thankful to Expressions Craft and Bhavani ji who have sent me this beautiful design team kit, and there are such good quality, best quality mixed media stuff, and I'm loving it. Let's get started. This is the new paper pack launched by Expressions Craft. This is super beautiful, and it's called Lushful Eden scrapbooking paper pack. See, isn't this beautiful? Let's open it. So it says 24 sheets including one bonus sentiment sheets. So good for fuzzy cutting, right? I just love this design. And these are the sentiments. Hope your day blooms with special joy. You are my sunshine. Congratulations. Happy birthday. And so on. Mother Nature has the best box of crayons. True. Do you see this? So pretty. Yes, I love this one. See this wreath? This is so pretty. And this color is so beautiful. Layout will look so pretty in this. Beautiful design. I'm loving this Lushful Eden. Now let's move on to my favorite chipboards. You guys have to stay with me here because there are a lot of chipboards, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. This new launch is explosive launch. I'll just wait, I'll tell you why. Your minds are going to be blown because there are so many chipboards, so many beautiful chipboards, beautiful and high quality designs, guys. Let's get started. Now I'm opening the themes tree. This is like a sea theme. Namaste and home and all written over it. Dream catcher, dream big. Let's keep on one side, otherwise I'll forget which goes where. Passion, inspire, imagine, celebrate, enjoy. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my god, these are so cute. And this is nice. Oh wow. Oh, I think you have to like assemble this. Nice. Maybe I'll do a nice video on this. Now let's go for the backgrounds. These have alphabets and gears. Nice, like checkers. Drops, right? Like it looks like chandelier. This is such a good background chipboard. Hey guys, I'm back with the black background. God, I couldn't say those words so that you can see it a little better. Want to you all to see this amazing product. This is the most beautiful chipboard I have ever seen. Like, seriously, you don't have to do anything. It's all done for you. See? Isn't this beautiful? Just out of the world, right? See this? So intricate and so pretty. I'm dying to use all of this, you know, guys. Wow. See this? Amazing. Just have to put this as your main focal point and done, right? I know I must have said wow a hell lot of time, but you guys, you can understand my feelings, right? I'm so overwhelmed by these products. You guys, you should check out the website and grab all these. You're going to love it. We always need those big chipboards, right? It's already there. It's all in India, made in India products, guys. I'm super proud of this. Next is frames and borders. Beautiful. These frames, wow. These swirls and all. See? Wow. Oh my god. Such thoughts given over one design, right? Each design has so many details. These are just amazing. See this? It looks like peacock feather, right? So nice. This too, very Indian. Superb. Wow. Beautiful design. These are so pretty frames. This will go so beautiful. Actually, this can go so beautiful on a card and a sentiment between this. So guys, yes, go for a replay. This one. Yes, this is what I'm feeling right now. Love. No, we are not done with the chipboards yet. Yes guys, this is fillers and leaves. Oh my god, let's dig into it. Beautiful work. See, such a fabulous job. These leaves are such nice fillers. I'm telling you guys, it lifts up the project so beautiful. You have to try this. Guys, when I'm done with the video, just go to the website expressionscraft.com. You are just going to love it. I always drool over every product they have. You guys going to love it, trust me. Isn't this same, right? Such fabulous job. Fantastic. This is also the same thing. See, falling big leaves, so many leaves, and every leaf is different. I think with this we are done with the chipboards, but I know these are so beautiful and lovely So guys, the another product that they have sent in the design team box is stencils, and I think these stencils are all new launches. So as you can see, it's all 6 by 6 inches, proudly made in India. The textures, like the background, will look so amazing with this art journaling or mixed media or anything. So these are the new launches. Let's recap. Text, flower. So now guys, we are heading towards our art essentials. There are so many art essentials that you can find on Expressions Craft website. Let's get started. Heavy gesso white, we have gesso black, crackle texture paste, this is texture paste, opaque matte, dimensional heavy gel for heavy embellishments. This is art gel medium matte, art gel medium transparent gloss. This is ground texture paste ice and snow, ground texture paste natural desert, mud brown, glass beads, texture gel medium, glass nuggets. So huge jars, right guys? It's not gonna finish soon. And there is one more thing, which are these deco art stones, micro, mini, medium, mega.